Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing for you the Smart Way. It's a shipping and postal scale, as you can see pictured here. I'll throw the link in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out. It'll take you straight to Amazon. This was one of their highly rated suggestions, so really excited about having it to do some shipping. So here's how it comes packaged to you. Looks really cool, nice box, great product photography. Nothing too special on it. Just shows the functions, the modes, the designs, the capacity. So up to 110 pounds. And I love that it's got the little separated, here's your scale and then the display separated, so you can put really big packages on there and actually know the weight, which is cool. So just got a sleek design. With nothing else to say, let's go ahead and open it up. First thing out of the box, we have your manual. Might want to hold on to that. Next, we have the display right here, which is really cool. You go straight up 90 or 180 degrees. So that's pretty neat. Got a power adapter right here. Just a DC adapter. Got your telephone cable right here to connect the two. 4 pins. And here's the scale itself, which is really neat. A little smaller than I anticipated, I guess. Looks really cool. Just plug it in right here. So let's go ahead and we'll do that. Plug in here. Plug this in here. So that's connected. Now the power will go into the actual display itself. Just plugs in right here. Like so. It did come with 2 screws and 2 wall anchors if you wanted to attach this to your wall somewhere, which is really helpful and really nice. So that's great. Alright, I grabbed an extension cord really quick so we could power this on. Got a green light on there, that's a good sign. I'm going to hit the on button. So it's at 0 right now, and there's different modes. So you want to do grams, pounds, and ounces, just pounds, kilograms, back to grams. So we're going to do pounds and ounces, and this will be fun to see what my phone weighs. It's a Google Pixel 2 with a slim case on it. I am showing 6 ounces. That's pretty neat. Let's weigh the box. 5.7 ounces. So if I push down, 3 pounds. So this is really neat. Let's see if I can make it so the camera can see this as well. Get the cords out of the way. So back to 0. Can you see that? 0. Set the phone on it. 5.9 ounces. So really cool. 6 ounces, 6 ounces, 6 ounces, 6 ounces, 6 ounces. Don't know where the 5.9 came from, but as I move the phone back, it's right back to 6 ounces. Flip it upside down just to see if anything weird like that. No. So phone weighs 6 ounces with its case. Whether that's funny, 5.9 there. So I'm going to guess it's probably accurate within the ounce, maybe 1 ounce off, tinkering right between 5.9, 6. So really a cool scale. Again, the link to this will be in my video description below. Again, just in a nutshell, this can support up to 110 pounds. It has a great design, so you're not stuck with the screen right here if your package covers it. You have a really long cable that you can put this far away and see what you're weighing. Just really helps with some miscellaneous sizes you may have. So really exciting. Links in my video description below. Go look in that description too. I got a newsletter. Go ahead, subscribe to that. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Love to interact with you guys. Hope this video was helpful. Go ahead, check this product out, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.